Joshua Paul Moses from the Department of Management Studies, working as an assistant professor. Nowadays, we are going to see about the objectives of business. These are the factors which the business is progressing. First one is the environmental of business factors. The first one is profit. Wherever a business people were doing business for getting profit only. Profit is one of the primary sector in the business. As well as what is profit? The profit is the excess of income over the expenses. How much we spend money for or investing money for the business, from that how we take our income from your expenses is called profit. So every business sector have to focus on the profit, how you are going to invest and how you are going to take your profit margin. And second one is the growth. The growth is also one of the another primary sector of the business. Nowadays, growth of business may be increase or sometimes it will be decrease, depend upon the process. So we can't able to sustain it whether our growth will be go like upward direction only or our business will go downward direction only. Not at all. The growth is the part which helps in different factors. The one is how you are going to diversity in your area. நீங்க எப்படி ஒரு ஏரியா வந்து பிரிச்சு நீங்க உங்களுடைய பிசினஸ்க்காக நீங்க செய்றீங்கன்னு பாருங்க. இரண்டாவது growth எப்படி வருது அப்படினு பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா second one is integration. The integration it is called as how we focused on forward and backward. If our business get improvisation means we look forward. If any struggle in your growth means you have to stop and back you come to the back section for your business entity, whether your business will be in the part of growth or not. And second one is third one is the employee satisfaction and growth. For business, for doing business, the employee are the major part or major part in your business for your company. Because without the employee, you can't able to survive your business. For example, Tata is one of the greatest manufacturing industries in India. The particular Tata industry were pursuing the employees' satisfaction. How they are doing the particular things, which means the particular company have give the safety measures, security secures, as well as they growth their employee by giving training from various places or various industries. The particular company will recruit a person for giving training. Then a particular employee will grow from the particular stage to the next stage. It gives the beneficiary to the employee and also the company, as well as this employee satisfaction, giving promotional activities, giving increment oriented. These are all the gives more efficiency of doing the particular work for the beneficiary of himself and also the companies. Next one is market leadership. A market leadership means it is not getting a market leadership in the business. It is not easiest one. It is very toughest one because of our competitors. Every particular related company will not give or they will not reduce their level in this business sector. So every companies, they are focusing on their market leadership. Then how we get a name or how we stand in our getting your leadership in market by use of your innovation, your quality of your work, and also your service which you product or the service which you are doing for your business. For example, many companies, for simply we taken Hindustan Unilever, that is the only company have many products in his hand. But the one company, the particular various various brand products, they have the process of Hindustan Unilever. But the share market will not get down because they are in the position of great quality process they maintain. Likewise TCS, Airtel, everybody they are having the only thing is called as a best quality and services. When you have a great quality and services in your business means you will definitely lead your market leadership also. The next one is quality of the product. We have to maintain quality as well as service for your business. If you are lack in quality or lack in services means definitely you can't able to survey in the business. Some persons also we may they will go out from your business sector also. So you have to focus on your quality and services. That is the only major part in your business sector. Next one is challenging. Challenging which means I will do, I can do. But without any thinking of knowledge, when you go for your challenges means definitely you will not be in the particular stage. You can't be able to survey. If you are going to challenge of doing a new thing or new innovation in your business means you should take the particular challenge as your profession. Or you will take the challenge as a motivation factor of doing the particular one. I will complete it. At the same time, you have to think. Tata Industry also, they have focused on many processes, but Nano is one of the car. They are focused and challenge. Many companies challenges. You will not give one at the time the particular nano car rate is approximately 1 to lakh or 1,50,000 I think so. Many car companies told your car will not sell. It is not applicable, but the Tata company challenge and take the challenge as a profession. They successfully launched the Tata Nano car in the market area. So you have to take the challenge in your business means you have the challenge should be your profession. At the same time, the particular factor will be success in your life. So this is the environment of business objectives. One is profit oriented, second one is growth, third one is employee satisfaction and growth, next one is market leadership, quality of the product and the challenge. If you have this particular environment in your business means definitely your business will be in a great manner. Thank you.